Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. If you've been thinking about making a major purchase or finally paying down an expensive balance that's been sitting on a different credit card, the landscape in 2026 has never been a better time for finding a long-term 0% APR promotion. So in this video, we're going to walk through the strongest 0% APR credit card offers available right now. And we're going to be focusing specifically on cards that give you at least 15 months of interest-free time on new purchases. That means you can stretch out payments month after month without accumulating the usual interest charges that can make even small balances feel overwhelming. So whether your goal is to upgrade appliances, to fund a home project, to buy new tech, or tackle lingering debt from a high-interest card, this lineup will give you the space to breathe financially. Some people use these cards to create more predictable cash flow or to pay off large expenses slowly, while others will use them strategically by moving high-interest balances to a new 0% card while shifting fresh spending onto the new account. Whatever your approach is, the result is going to be the same. Interest will be saved, stress reduced, and of course more control. Many of these cards are what I would consider keeper cards, meaning they are cards that you'll want to hold even after the promotional period ends, and that's because they come with strong cashback or good reward programs. Toward the end, we'll also talk about a few cards that offer longer promotional periods, but they're more suited towards specific 0% APR strategies rather than having them for long-term value. By the time you finish this video, you will know which cards fit your spending habits, which cards deliver the most long-term value, and which ones are the best if your single priority is maximizing the 0% APR window. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's begin with 7 cards that all offer at least 15 months of 0% APR on purchases. These 7 cards are especially valuable because they also offer meaningful rewards that are worth keeping long after the 0% period ends. So let's start with the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. It consistently remains one of the strongest no annual fee cards on the market. Now with this card, you receive 15 months of 0% APR on new purchases, and afterward, you continue earning solid rewards. You'll earn 3% cash back at US supermarkets, 3% on US online retail purchases, and 3% back at US gas stations. Each of those categories has a yearly cap of $6,000, which is generous enough for most people's everyday spending habits. Everything else will earn 1%. If you're looking for a card that gives you direct value in categories you probably heavily spend in already, then this card delivers consistency, flexibility, and a strong intro offer that fits both everyday spending and larger plan purchases. The next card is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Now, this card is extremely popular because it combines simplicity with strong rewards. It offers 0% APR on new purchases for 15 months, and afterwards you get ongoing rewards that cover most lifestyle expenses. You'll earn 3% back on dining, 3% back on drugstores, and 5% back on travel booked through Chase Travel. Everything else will earn 1.5%. Now, this 1.5% base rate makes this card incredibly useful for everyday swipes, where you simply want consistent cash back without thinking about the categories. Now, for anyone who wants a versatile no annual fee card that keeps long-term value, the Freedom Unlimited is easy to recommend. After that, we have the Capital One Venture One Rewards. Now, this is one of the strongest no annual free travel cards that's available. You receive 15 months of 0% APR on new purchases, and the reward structure is extremely attractive. If you spend a lot on travel experiences or hotels, rental cars, and vacation rentals, you'll earn unlimited 1.25 miles on every purchase. You also earn 5 miles per dollar on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. This card has also become well known for offering a consistent new cardholder bonus, and while the specific amount can change depending on the promotion, the Venture One Rewards continues to provide strong ongoing value plus the 0% promotional period. Another great 15-month 0% APR option is the Discover It Cashback card. This card will give you 15 months of 0% APR on new purchases, and this card is well known for its rotating 5% back categories, which activate each quarter, and it gives you strong rewards on everyday spending up to the quarterly maximum. All other purchases earn unlimited 1% cash back, and there is no annual fee. What makes this card especially valuable in the first year is Discover's cash back match, which doubles every dollar of cash you earn during your entire first year automatically with no limit. So if you want a card that combines a meaningful intro APR period with strong rotating rewards, the Discover It Cashback is an excellent addition to your 2026 strategy. The Citi Strata card is another solid 15-month 0% option for new purchases. It requires no annual fee, and for a limited time, new cardholders may earn a welcome bonus after spending a modest amount in the first 3 months, and of course that's at the time of recording this video. Where the Strata really shines is in its reward structure. It offers 3x thank you points for spending at supermarkets, on select transit, gas, or EV charging, and on self-select categories of your choice, like streaming services, fitness, pet supplies, entertainment, or salons. You also earn 2x points at restaurants and 5x points per dollar for bookings made through Citi Travel, and that's on hotels, car rentals, attractions, and much more. All other purchases will earn 1 point per dollar. The Citi Strata card can be a great pick if you want interest-free breathing room, but you still want to earn rewards that deliver value beyond the promotional period. The US Bank Cash Plus card is another strong option for people who want to customize their rewards. You get 15 billing cycles of 0% APR on new purchases, and after that, the card allows you to choose 2 5% categories from a preset list and a single 2% everyday category. Everything else earns 1%. While this card takes a bit more effort to fully maximize, it's extremely rewarding if you consistently spend in specific areas. And finally, rounding out this group is the Chase Freedom Flex. It offers 15 months of 0% APR on new purchases and features rotating 5% categories that change every quarter. These rotating categories often include useful everyday areas like gas, dining, groceries, or retailers that most people already shop at. The card also gives you 3% back on dining in drugstores and 1% back on everyday purchases. It's an excellent companion for the Chase Freedom Unlimited or other Chase cards because of how easily it earns high cashback rates. These first 7 cards are what I would consider the strongest overall options because each one gives you solid long-term rewards in addition to 0% APR. So if your goal is to get long-lasting value after the promotional period ends, any one of these cards could serve as your daily driver. The next 2 cards on the list go beyond the standard 15-month promotional window. These offer an impressive 21 to 24 months of 0% APR on new purchases. However, they do not offer meaningful rewards, so they are designed specifically for people who want the longest possible time to pay off a major purchase. The first of these is the US Bank Shield Visa card. Now this one delivers one of the longest 0% APR durations available in 2026, giving you 24 months to pay off purchases without interest. There's no annual fee, which means you get extended financing without any added cost, and while its rewards aren't broad-based like some cards, the Shield does offer 4% cash back on prepaid airfare, hotel stays, or car rentals booked through the US Bank Travel Center, a useful perk if you travel or you're planning a big trip. Additionally, after 11 consecutive months of purchases, you earn a $20 statement credit, giving you a small but steady benefit just for keeping the card active. The Shield card also brings added value beyond intro APR and travel rewards. It includes purchase protection, cell phone damage and theft protection if you pay your monthly wireless bill with the card. You also get free access to check your credit score and the option once per year to convert recent purchases into fixed monthly payments via US Bank's extended pay plan. For someone focused on minimizing interest and getting as much time as possible to pay off a large purchase or a debt, while also getting a bit of perks, then the US Bank Shield Visa is one of the strongest long-term 0% APR cards available in 2026. The Wells Fargo Reflect is the second option with 21 months of 0% APR. As long as monthly minimum payments are made on time, you can enjoy nearly 2 years of 0% interest. And like the US Bank Shield Visa card, the Reflect is best suited for those who want a long promotional period rather than having ongoing rewards. It's definitely not a keeper card from a reward standpoint, but it excels at giving you time to pay off larger purchases without interest weighing you down. Now, both of these cards appeal to someone whose top priority is maximizing the promotional window rather than just building a card strategy for long-term cashback value. Now we can move into the final group of cards. These cards offer solid 0% APR windows, but for one reason or another, they may sit slightly below the top tier. Now, this may be due to low rewards, narrower bonus categories, or simply the existence of stronger alternatives. However, each card in this group still provides at least 15 months of 0% APR and is absolutely worth considering depending on your spending habits and your credit profile. The Bank of America Custom Cash Rewards card provides 15 months of 0% APR on new purchases, and it offers 3% cash back in a category of your choice, along with 2% back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. There's also a new offer at the time of recording this video where you can earn 6% cash back in the category of your choice for the first year, and this applies to your first $2,500 in combined purchases each quarter. Everything else earns 1%. While the categories and caps are more limited than what some of the other cards offer, the card delivers solid value, especially for Bank of America Preferred Reward customers who can dramatically boost their cashback percentages. The Capital One Quicksilver Rewards card offers 15 months of 0% APR on new purchases and gives you a flat 1.5% cash back on every transaction. While this rate is slightly lower than something like the Wells Fargo Active Cash, which gives you 2%, the Quicksilver is known for being more forgiving during the approval process, making this a strong entry option for people with decent but not perfect credit histories. If you want to earn travel rewards while still getting a full 15-month 0% APR window, then the Bank of America Travel Rewards card is worth considering. This card offers 0% APR on purchases and qualifying balance transfers for 15 billing cycles, making it useful to anyone planning upcoming trips or planning a large expense. There's no annual fee and there's no foreign transaction fees, which gives the card even more long-term value. New cardholders can earn 25,000 online bonus points after spending at least $1,000 in the first 90 days. That bonus can be redeemed as a $250 statement credit towards travel or dining, making this an easy way to offset trip cost. Now, for someone who wants a straightforward way to earn travel rewards, avoid annual fees, and skip foreign transaction charges, and still take advantage of a 15-month 0% APR window, then the Bank of America Travel Rewards card fits seamlessly into a 2026 credit strategy. Next, we have the Chase Slate Edge, and that offers 18 months of 0% APR and provides a few small benefits like an opportunity for an annual rate reduction if you manage the account responsibly. However, it's not a rewards card, so it's best used specifically for the promotional 0% period rather than having any other long-term value. But if you want a simple no-frills card that combines easy cash back with a 15-month 0% intro offer, the Discover It Chrome is worth a look. This card gives you a 15-month 0% APR on purchases while also offering automatic rewards for everyday spending. With the Chrome card, you can earn 2% back at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined spending each quarter. All other purchases earn 1% unlimited cash back with no annual fee. And on top of that, Discover offers its signature first-year cashback match, same as the Discover It Cashback card. And finally, we have the Bank of America Bank AmeriCard. Now, this card will offer an 18-month 0% APR on purchases, which is slightly longer than the 15-month standard. However, like the Chase Slate Edge, it doesn't offer significant rewards beyond the promotional window. This makes this a good card for people who specifically want longer intro APR rates but don't need long-term rewards. So now that we've walked through all 15 cards, there is one major caution that everyone needs to keep in mind when using 0% offers. It's surprisingly easy to lose track of the promotional deadline, and once the 0% APR period ends, the card instantly will switch to regular purchase APR, which for many people can be significantly higher than what they expected. Anyone using the card for a balance strategy or a large purchase must keep the end date in sight. It's always a good idea to write the deadline down. You can put that in a calendar, set multiple reminders in your phone, or even schedule automatic payments to ensure the balance is fully paid before the promotional period expires. The goal of using these cards is to eliminate interest entirely, not to get hit with a surprise one once the offer ends. So staying organized is the most important part of making a 0% APR card work for you instead of against you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. That wraps up the strongest 0% APR cards available in 2026. The top 7 cards offer the best blend of long promotional periods and meaningful rewards that continue long after the intro period ends. The 21 to 24 month cards are perfect for anyone who wants the longest possible runway to pay off a large purchase. And the remaining group offers solid promotional periods that come with trade-offs that places them slightly behind the top tier. If you want to save money on interest, manage cash flow more effectively, or simply get more breathing room on your budget, any one of these cards can be the right fit as long as you use them strategically. Remember to match the card to your spending habits and evaluate how long you need the 0% period to last, and pay attention to the deadline. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content on credit cards, credit building, and financial strategies for 2026, the next video that I'm going to put out will definitely help you. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.